Hi, welcome back to another Peppi tutorial. My name is Sherlyn, and today I'm going to show you how to get this ombre look using chunky glitter. I posted this a few weeks ago on the Peppi Facebook page and it got a lot of love, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I hope everybody's holidays and New Year's was amazing. This look what I did was actually for New Year's, so it was a very sparkly New Year for me. So let's get started. The colors I used were Tis the Season, which was a free color a couple months ago for a promotion they had. Spiked with Style, which was a mystery box color they had for about 2 years ago, I believe. And Clear just to top it all off. Alright, so I actually already did the base color for my nails. So I just did 2 dips already for everything. I did 2 dips of the Spiked with Style. For my ring finger, I did 1 dip of Clear and then 1 dip of Tis the Season. And so right now I'm just going to show you how to do the actual ombre look. So we'll start. So first off, you'll get your number 1. And I like to kind of pour a little bit in the lid to help me with the chunky glitter. And then you just get one of their nail art brushes. This kind of like an eyeshadow brush if you don't have this. But this helps with the ombre effect. Okay, started. So just get a little bit of your number 1. And get all over your nail. So just do a thin layer around all over your nail. And then I just dip this in the color or the glitter. And I angle my hand or my finger just a little bit downwards. And you just tap on the brush. Should start falling a little bit. And then you just keep doing it until you achieve that ombre look that you want. You can go more if you want it all the way like closer to your nail tip, or you can stop at this. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay. And then with the chunky glitter, I like to pick up some of the chunks and try to place it myself if I can. So yes, if there's any chunky glitter standing up, you can just tap it down with your finger. And then you just grab the nail pusher. And with the purple, I just like to pick up some color and let it fall. So now you could do this over something like a cup or like the lid if you like. But you don't want to do it over the actual color because then the glitter might mix in. So then you just tap it off and you move on to the next. All right, so now we'll do the ring finger. So a lot of people have been asking me about chunky glitter and how I apply that as well. So let me show you. So for this, I normally do the 2 dips of the chunky glitter. The first, I actually just dip it in, especially with this one. Since it doesn't have a lot of chunky glitter in it, not a lot of it sticks when you just dip it. So I like to do that for the first dip. And then if there's any glitter standing up, I kind of just press it down with my finger. But for the third dip, I like to actually do it differently. So show you. Let me just apply my number 1. That completely covered. Okay, and I just put some of it in the jar, so it's a lot easier for me to do this. So what I do is I just lay it flat in it. That everything's covered. So this, I feel like more of the chunky glitter sticks to it. Now, if you feel like there's too much on there, and a lot of them will kind of be standing up, I kind of just grab a tweezer and I just pull out whatever I feel like is too much, or if it looks good for you, then just press them down to make sure they're all sticking. go. And don't worry, because I'm actually gonna put a fourth dip of clear too, to make sure like you when you're filing, you don't pull off all the chunky glitter either. So that's how it looks. And then we'll move on to the ombre again. Okay, so just grab your number 1. Okay, and your eyeshadow brush, just dip it in the glitter. And again, I angle it downwards and just tap the brush. And you can kind of twist your finger around to make sure you cover all the edges too. Okay. And then with this, it doesn't, if you notice, it doesn't really drop a lot of the chunky glitter. So again, I'll pick up the tweezer and pick up some of the chunky glitter and just place it where I want it. Okay, and then I'll grab purple. Just sprinkle it on, make sure everything's covered. Pop the excess off. All right, I'll do that again. Same thing. Just let it sprinkle on. So the reason you want to keep your finger angled too is so that it falls down, kind of like a rainfall effect. So the thicker or the most of the glitter will kind of stick to the top. Then just pick up a few of the chunky glitter. All right. Sprinkle color on. And with this, if you feel like you're getting a little too much color around your cuticles, you can use a toothpick or your orange stick and just clean around the edges. And we'll move on to the last. So when you tap on the brush, you want to be gentle as well because it might pick up a little too much glitter and too much might fall on. You want to be gentle, especially once you're closer to the middle of your nail. You really want to get that rainfall. Okay. Okay. All right. Now that you got all of that, you just want to brush off any excess color. Okay. And like I said earlier, I actually put a fourth dip of clear. You can skip this step if you'd like. I prefer to do that when I have chunky glitter, just so it doesn't pull off the chunky glitter back. So I'll just do one more. Alrighty, so that's it. I just brush off the excess powder for the clear. And then I'm going to apply my number 2, wait the 2 minutes, and start filing it down. And then I'll show you the finished product when we're done. I'll be back. Alright, welcome back. So I finished shaping and filing my nails, and I applied the number 2 and waited minutes. We're going to go ahead and apply our number 2 now. So, got my paper towel ready. Quick stroke first. Wipe off the towel. For the first coat, you want to just be quick about it. This way this doesn't mess up the brush. Wipe off. Second. And I still like to put it on the paper towel anyway, just in done. The final product. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, and share. And we'd love to see some results, so make sure you guys tag us on your posts. I hope you guys enjoy your 2021. Bye!